Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just.
She interrupted my video. We're in London. How does it feel?
Touchdown in London town.
She's so funny, but whatever. Okay, we are at Nando's. Steph is very excited. Oh, she's already digging in.
I'm starving.
What did you get, Steph?
I got 2 potato wedges. Good. Peri Peri chips, look bomb. Sunset burger.
Good shit. Kat, what did you get?
Fantastic. I got butterfly chicken, garlic bread, and peri chips. Yeah, peri chips.
Super excited to try her food. I got the pita with the peri chips and the garlic bread, and also they had these sauces, which I hope are good. I'm sure they are.
Press down on the police.
Wait, I can't see shit.
Give me this.
No, hold up.
They have to be directly in the middle.
Yeah, hold up. Wow, we really have to
Breaking
unlock the door to this Airbnb right now.
And trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me.
We are eating breakfast.
Hell yeah, we are.
Steph, Kat, and I got the English breakfast. Umaya got a waffle.
With salad.
Yes, and she got coffee. We got tea. You know, doing it the English way. I'm gonna regret saying that.
I'm the only one that actually has milk in my tea.
I normally put milk in my tea, but not in green tea. We're going to the Harry Potter studio tour today, which I'm super excited about.
Talk too much, grab on my waist and put that body on me. Coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead. We let the story begin. We're going fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming now, follow my lead.
Yo, I have no idea what I'm stepping on. I'm like, oh I don't know. I don't want to step on people.
Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me.
Alright guys, we got some tea for you. Literally.
I actually hate. No, that was so bad. Oh my god.
Follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that.
Wow, this has stuff written all over it. Look guys, she found dark chocolate coffee beans of Fortnum and Mason. Wow. This is for Steph. That's Steph. This is dark chocolate coffee bean. Look at her.
I am.
Oh, I have a dark chocolate coffee bean. Oh shit. We just want to say, London is very expensive. Like, so expensive. So expensive. Like, to the point where, okay. I don't think I belong here.
Body on me, coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. And now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day is coloring something brand new. I'm in love with your body.
Alright guys, I am here with Zoe's sister. Hey, Molly. And Sumaya's here. She just had a whole photo shoot. London! Oh my god, we are on a bridge looking at the London Eye. Still gloomy in London, but you know, whatever. Pretty cool. We just took a bunch of photos. We are in
Chinatown. It's so much better than the one in New York.
so much better than Chinatown in New York.
Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby.
If I just stay here, would you lie with me? Just so